Exploring the world of gardening books, a journey for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, gardening books. Whether you're a green thumb or just love reading, understanding this phrase will enrich your English vocabulary and cultural knowledge. Let's get started. Gardening books are a specific genre of literature. They focus on gardening techniques, plant care, and landscape design. These books are not just informative but often filled with beautiful illustrations and photographs. They cater to a range of readers, from beginners to expert gardeners. This phrase has two main parts. 1. Gardening. This word refers to the practice of growing and cultivating plants. It's a hobby and a profession for many. 2. Books. Here, it simply means a written or printed work consisting of pages glued or sewn together along one side and bound in covers. By combining these words, we get gardening books, referring to books about gardening. Let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. I bought several gardening books to help me start my herb garden. She loves reading gardening books for new landscaping ideas. There are variations and related phrases too. Horticulture manuals, more technical books about plant cultivation. Botany books, focus on the scientific study of plants. Gardening magazines, periodicals with articles and tips about gardening. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, gardening books, and how you can use it in your everyday English. Keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary, and happy gardening in the language of English. See you in our next video.